What's up, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors? How's everybody doing tonight? It's Monday. Welcome, Ccscraps channel and restorations. So I'm, I normally don't come up on the weekdays, but I got to make exceptions when exceptions are needed to be made. It's freezing. I got my winter hat again, my Carhartt, 2 shirts, a sweatshirt, Carhartt, 2 pants, and some thick socks and some shoes. So, my coworker comes up to me, name's Burrell. He does, maintenance around around my place I work at. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and he's like, "Hey, Chris." I go, "Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?" He goes, "I got a cooler full of tools. Do you want them?" And I'm like, "Let me think." Sure, why not? So we're just gonna get right into it. They're all like over here, so you guys can't see them, so we can surprise. I got a pair of these nippers. I cannot see a maker's mark on them. He brought those in for me. The lighting's really weird in here. We're going to do something about this lighting soon. I'm going to get some brighter lights for the top of the shop. You'll see. This pair of sheet metal shears. I cannot see a maker's mark. They look like they've been Japan. Another pair, which is really cool. Got a hacksaw. This is actually a WTC, made in the USA. Then we got another hacksaw, Globemaster. I like this handle on there. It's kind of cool. Kind of looks like one of them old Stanleys. And I kind of like the way this is kind of like concave. It's kind of cool. All right, so 2 hacksaws. A little cobbler's hammer, tack hammer. This is badass, okay? This big old C-clamp. It's missing the, I can never remember what it's called, but it's missing this, but so what? This would be a nice project to clean up. It's got number 408 drop forged steel. Oh man, this thing's heavy. Good God. Let's see what else. Got us a file. I can't really see a maker's mark on that. You guys see what that says? It's really hard for me to see even though I got my glasses on. Pair of these, they're like cutters, like a little power pliers they're called. 450-9. These are Uticas, Utica, New York, USA, right down the road from me, you guys. I got a box wrench. I can't see the name on this. Again, it's super dark in here. Just says drop steel. There's something on the back. Maybe Fuller? Can't see that. What's that say, guys? I probably should have wire wheeled some of this before I started showing you guys, but I was just really stoked about getting all this. Here's like some kind of, I think this is like maybe like a button tool that, you could press buttons. I think that's what that is. If I'm wrong, let me know. This cool, this looks like some kind of oil filter wrench, but I've never seen one like this. This is pretty badass. Can't tell who makes it, but it's definitely going to get cleaned up. This, I don't know what this is. Is this for some kind of miter, or does this go to a wood plane? Some kind of, maybe it's for, there's a blade on here. Maybe it's for like a mortise or something. I really don't know. If you guys know what this thing is, let me know. Needs some work, but it's really cool. You know me, I'm not gonna say no to any kind of tool. I think that's what it is. Maybe it's some kind of like, I don't know. Maybe to make, maybe it's for like molding, for cutting out molding, maybe. Just open end wrench right here. can't see the name of that. I'm going to just hold it up for you guys to take a look. This is really a cool tool haul. Random files, lots of files. More files. Let's see over here. Some tap wrenches. Another file. Oh, this is cool. Snap-on speed wrench. This will go with my speed wrench collection. You guys see? Be upside down. And I got another speed wrench. This one is a proto, actually. Just cool. I don't have many proto tools. Another file. Love these old wooden handle files, man. These things are in nice shape, too. We'll do some file restorations here pretty soon. Got myself a Distant Porter coping saw. That's cool. Where'd the other one go? A couple of these random clamps. These are, do you say Starrett? Oh, Stearns. Stearns. Number 35. I got this cool little, like, just like this little tool kit. It's got a hammer. Random bits, it's all together. We'll hold on to this. This thing's cool. Little vice grip. Ouch. Random, all these random tiny baby open-end wrenches. Some of them are Williams. Dual, maybe? There's a few Williams in here, I promise you. Well, maybe they're all Dual. It's a whole set. It's a whole set of Dual. I think that's what that says. Can't see. I got tons of these little wrenches. I love these things. Random screwdriver, nut driver, another nut driver. This has got a really cool wooden handle on it. If I don't use this nut driver, I might pop the handle and make something out of it. Just some random taps over here. Nice center punch. I like punches. That's about it there. Sorry, here's one more. This is custom. Put a wire around it. It says 140 on it, or 1140. I don't know, there's probably a maker's mark under this wire, but I kind of want to leave the wire. Now, this is where we're going to get fun. George, you want to watch. You're going to crap your pants when you see this thing, my friend. Check out this rigid pipe cutter. That's badass, right? Tell me that's not cool. This is a Rigid Tool Company, Elmira, Ohio. Patent number... Oh, jeez, I can't see that either. 143075. Can you see that? That's badass, right? And then, check out this pipe wrench. I can't see a maker's mark on it. It's definitely crying for a wire wheel. 24-inch, just says drop forged steel. That's going in my pipe collection, or my pipe wrench collection. It needs love. It'll work, though it moves, barely. But it moves. Now this one, oh wait, not yet. Got some chisels. Fuller. Great Neck. A Stanley. And this one's a piece of history. Does that say Kmart, right? Tell me about it. Kmart. Remember when Kmart sold some decent tools? I got some Kmart power tools, like an old drill. Now this one is badass. Ready? An old breast drill, right? That'll go in my collection over there. Now, but the best part about this is, you know what I'm going to show y'all, right? You know this. Look at the... Like, I'm shocked that he even gave me this. Like, are you sure, dude? He said some of this stuff belonged to his father. Look at this. All right, you know what? I don't even want to spoil it. But look at all... Oops. Look at all the daggone auger bits that came with it, right? Are you kidding me? Seriously, come on. Dude, this is like Christmas. Like, dang. I mean, there's just all sorts of bits that came with this thing, and they all fit this drill. That's so cool. Look at this big hole cutter. I mean, could you imagine, like, back in the day, the dude that, like, had to drill holes like this? I mean, just all day long, 9, 10, 12 hours a day, just drilling holes above his head. Like... We take it for granted, man, all this batteries and power and, you know, 240 volt, 460 volt, like, you know, cordless and abrasive saws and hot saws and all this other kind of stuff, man. These old timers, they knew what was up, man. I am so glad I got this. Like, are you, like, I literally about fell over when I saw, like, this pipe cutter. Like, I was like, oh my God. And then the drill. And this thing's not in bad shape. Like, it needs a wire wheel and some sandpaper, man. And that's really it. And some stain. And this thing is good to go. And it's going to go up on the wall. But, wow, right? Like, tell me that wasn't really cool, man. Burrell, thank you if you're watching this video. We're going to call it right here. I'm going to go inside. Gonna have to take the dog out soon for her final pee-pee. She's old, she's got to go out a lot, so. But she's a good dog. She lets you know when she's got to go to the bathroom, so she doesn't pee or poop in the house at all, which is a very good dog. But anyway, that was my tool haul. Hope you enjoyed it. And, oh, one more thing. A True Test oiler. I'm probably going to wind up giving this to Mrs. Ccscraps because she collects oil cans. Got a lot of cool oil cans. I'll show you her collection one day. But one of these I am going to wind up keeping because I need an oil can for the shop. Like, man, it still smells like what? Yeah, like you guys can smell it. Here, smell it. But this thing works like it's not like, you know this thing's going to work. I have another oil can around here somewhere. I might give her that one because this one stands up a little bit better on its, you know, thing. But I need an oiler for the shop. But anyway, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you this week on Ccscraps and Restorations. Have a great weekend, and we will see you soon. Take care now. Bye. Really, right?